What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Guys, today's episode is sponsored by Karl's Bait and Tackle. And they sent us a box full of stuff. And I have absolutely no idea what's in here. Could be a box of pencils, could be a box of dirt. I think it should be some fishing lures. But I have absolutely no idea. So let's open her up, check it out, and see what we got in here. Alright, let's open her up. It's a Christmas tree. What do we have here? Alright. I'm already seeing some stuff I really like. First things first. The Becca gill. We just lost one in New York on a rock. I know exactly where it is, so when the weather warms up a little bit and I can go swimming, I will get this thing. And this is in New York City, by the way. Anyways, I am pumped. I am pumped to get this, get another one of these. The gill is incredible. And this time of year, as these fish are moving up, creating beds, and into the spawn, bluegill imitations are mint, because these bass do not want bluegill anywhere near them. So they'll hit them to feed, and they'll hit them just to get them the hell away from them. So that's big. Yes. Oh man, I've been saying I want one of these so bad. This is the 10,000 fish headhunter. This comes in two sizes. I believe this is the 4 1/3 inch. I'm super excited for this. Again, another bluegill style imitation. This one's going to be weedless, so this would be great in your, rocky, sandy places because it's got the trebles. And this is going to be a lot better in places with lots of weeds. This is the headhunter. This thing is unbelievable, and the hook is hidden here. And apparently, when you get a bite, this thing pops. That thing pops up. When you set the hook on the fish, this pops up, giving the fish a lot less leverage on your bait. Check that thing out. I love little paddle tail swim baits. This thing just looks mean. So pumped for that. Alright, next one. The Sakoshi bug, perfect for Ned rigging. This little thing here. And I believe I've used it once or twice with Becca. Great little bait. 10,000 fish yodel worm. These things are freaking dope. You can use these in multiple different ways. There's some of them listed on the back, but I see this being used as a trailer for chatterbait. Oh, it actually says that on there. Lay bait or spinnerbait. I'm terrible. So yeah, I mean, this thing is super versatile. Definitely something you'll want to check out. Drop shot, shaky head, Texas rigged, spinnerbait, any sort of swim bait trailer. The Exo Swim 3.25, and this is going to be just an excellent trailer. Or I could even put this on a nice heavy jig head and throw this in the salt water for stripers. This would work great. The Shimmer Shad. Guys, I used the Shimmer Shad the other day with Becca and freaking slayed them. Absolutely slayed them. We were drop shotting. I had one as a Ned rig as my weight, and then another one as the drop shot, and I was getting hit on both. Incredible bait here. The Rattlebot. So lately I've been trying to dedicate some more time to crankbait fishing, and this is a dope lipless crankbait. Nice You can never have too many masks right now. That's cool. We should go ahead and put that on. Awesome, super comfy. Last but not least, awesome. There we go, guys. So for the next few months, we are going to be doing some stuff with Karl's bait and tackle. Probably some 10,000 fish stuff. We're going to be using Buca's products, Biospawn, that kind of stuff. So guys, leave some comments down below. Let me know if you think we should do a challenge with all the baits that were sent to us. I'm pumped. I'm honestly probably more pumped about this than anything else in here. But I'm also really, really, really excited to get another gill. I needed that. I needed that bad. 'Tis the season, folks. So, guys, do me a favor. If you want to check out Shop Karl's, there is a link down below in the description. Going over there, check it out. If you become a member, you can save up to 30% off the products on the site. You also get early access to new products and exclusive members-only items. Along with most of the shipping is free, and they have pretty much everything you can need on there, from rods, reels, to all the baits that you could imagine. So, guys, head on over there. Let me know what you think, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fish and Grubs. We will see you next time. Fish on.
Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. This that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday.